Good evening, everybody. Well, somebody was passing by here in Utrecht Central Station, as you can see. I had to wait for somebody. I thought, let's go live. I just wanted to show you around the Utrecht Central Station. There, the City Hall of Utrecht and the World Trade Center. This is just spontaneous view, so let's go around. For those who don't know Utrecht Central Station, you have to tap in, and here you can pass by without any tickets. This is the Central Hall. I think I showed it a couple of times, but yeah. That's where we were coming from. So big city hall. And so there you see the platforms, all the numbers with the square things. And actually I think I can show you around how it is here. If you need a ticket, you can get it here. So this is the service shop. Here you can get your tickets over chip card to go around. If you want to change the coins like dollars, euros, you can do it here. It's the currency exchange. And here you see the rates that they do. So if you're from abroad and you got coins or you got money and you want to go to euro all the way around, you can come here. Here you can buy the tickets for bus, trams, public transport cards, but nowadays you can also pay with your normal card. These are the steps to the bus platforms. As you can see in the distance, Starbucks. And here you can tap into the trains. So not for now, for another time. I think I will do another video about the station itself. Here you have a platform of the station hall. We came in here, we're here, platforms, and here you can walk around to the city center. And here are the bus stops. And on this screen you can see the bus line and which platform they are. So with Google Maps you can see where your destination is and which line you have to take. Here you see the Dick Bruna trein from, we call it Nijntje, English Fluffy. It's from Utrecht. Here you see some train information. I think pretty known for everywhere. It's now 6 o'clock, people coming home from work. I try to avoid people. So these yellow machines, you can buy tickets if you want a single line ticket or single ticket. This is a lunch shop. Now we walk outside the station. This is the city hall. And here we walk past by the train tracks, some shops. It's a bit windy. Vietnamese food shop, Spurs cafeteria, Burger King there. Yeah, Burger King. And I'll show you the plastic wall. The city hall again. Look in the Utrecht Central entrance. Here you see we pass by the train tracks, and that side is the city side of the station, and as you can see there's a sixth rent-a-car shop. You see train passing by. Johnny Walker's in yellow there. And this is the station square, if I'm right. But here we call the bolledak, the bull's roof. You can imagine why it is called like that. So this is the other side of the entrance. There's a demonstration going on, so I don't go in. I did not know it was there, but here's the square, and this a lot of people. So this is connecting the station with here on this side the Hoogkaterijnenmall, and that's connecting the station with the inner city centrum for the old town. And now there's like a food stand kind of thing. So if you arrive here, you want to go to the city center, then take one of these doors. I'll try to escape. A lot of people go to the left, to that side, and on the right side a bit more quiet, and both will go to the city center. They walk parallel. So this is a bit shopping mall. Next time I will make a bigger tour, but just to give you an idea. So for going to the city center, you have to go that way, and then you walk into the city center and find your way to wherever you like to go. So for those of you who come back, you go here. So it's a bit sunny. It's not quite warm. Third warm week coming up for this summer. Almost non-Dutch weather. Just a last look of Katerijn. Rooftop of the Bolledak again. And there you walk to Utrecht Central. A lot of sun. So I'm planning to do more of these live streams or videos and publish it to show you a bit about the Netherlands and give some tips about how to find your way here if you're new. And with this shot of the Utrecht Central Station, I would say goodbye till next time. Bye!